What creature can change color like it's switching outfits? To shoot out a tongue longer than its body? And look in two directions at the same time like it's watching two Netflix shows? Yeah, it's not a Marvel superhero and definitely not a lizard doing belly dance. That's right, I'm the chameleon. The nature's ultimate master of disguise, the ninja of the reptile world, and a mysterious celeb who even baffles scientists. People think I change colors to match my outfit or hide from enemies. That's partially true, but there's more to it. I shift shades to express my mood. Bright when happy, dark when angry. I also regulate my body temperature. Kind of like putting on a jacket when cold or going shirtless when it's hot. Color is also my flirting game. Males flash their brightest hues to impress the ladies. If rejected, we switch to heartbreak blue, with a hint of dramatic fade. How do I do it? No makeup, no filter apps. I've got special skin cells called iridophores filled with nanocrystals that reflect light. I just tweak the spacing between them and boom, a new color unlocked. Prehistoric nanotech, baby. My roots trace back to Africa, and especially Madagascar. But my cousins have spread across Asia, Southern Europe, and even the Middle East. We love tropical forests, sunny shrubs, and anywhere with good bug delivery. Some of us even move into human homes, free meals and no rent? Yes, please. There are over 200 chameleon species. Some are tiny, like the 2-centimeter long Brooksia nana, respect to the micro legend, while others stretch up to 70 centimeters, like a garden dragon doing cosplay. My eyes are wild, they rotate 360 degrees independently. I don't need to move my head. I can track a fly with one eye and check Instagram with the other. If I had a phone, that is. When I need to focus, both eyes sync up to laser lock on a target. You might think I'm tiny and cute, but surprise! My body is a marvel of biological engineering. Most of my cousins range from 17 to 25 centimeters long. Small enough to sneak through bushes, climb branches, and dodge the paparazzi. But if you ever meet Pars's chameleon, our tall, proud family member, get ready to look up. Can grow up to nearly 70 centimeters. Basically, a mini dragon with a fashion sense. Prefers something pocket size? Let me introduce Brooksia nana, a rice grain with a pulse, just 21.6 millimeters long. The perfect pocket chameleon, ideal for those who like their reptiles travel size. My teeth? I've got acrodont chompers, which means they're fused right onto the edge of my jaw. No wiggling, no cavities, just perfect for crunching bugs like crispy snacks. As for venom, I used to have a venom gland, but now it's basically retired. There's just a tiny, harmless trace left. So relax. I'm not a poisoner, just a master of the tongue snatch technique. Speaking of which, my tongue is the ultimate weapon. Long, thin, and freakishly fast. All I need is one quick splat. And that fly, half a body length away, never gets a proper goodbye. Now, let's talk eyes. I've got uncoordinated vision, one eye looking left, the other drifting right. Is it a concentration issue? Nope. That's exactly how I like it. Picture this. And I'm tracking prey in front while keeping a lookout for cats behind me. Survival skill maxed out. Also extremely useful for avoiding awkward crush encounters in the jungle. You won't find me strutting around on the ground. Trees are my playground. I've got 5 special toes split into 2 perfect gripping groups. One of my front feet, 2 outer toes stick together, and 3 inner toes group up like a mini clamp. My back, feet, and trick reversed. I like variety. This setup helps me hug branches as tightly as a hopeless romantic. No slips, no oops. And did you know I can hang upside down all day without breaking a sweat? Now for the tail, my pride and joy. It's about 30 to 40% of my total length, made up of 6 to 9 segments, colored in alternating shades of gray and pale yellow. Think vintage pattern meets high fashion. I use it like a natural seatbelt, wrapping it around branches so I don't fall mid-hunt. It's also insanely flexible. Yoga instructors would be jealous. But here's the deal. Unlike some of my lizard cousins, I can't regrow my tail if it breaks. So no drop tail and run drama for me. Bottom line, my tail is sacred. Don't cut it. Don't borrow it. I don't chase. I don't leap. I just sit still, flick my tongue out and splat. My tongue can stretch 1.5 to 2 times my body length. It moves lightning fast in 0.07 seconds. Yes, that's faster than a blink. The tip is super sticky, so bugs don't stand a chance. Imagine a sniper, but instead of a rifle, I use a glue-tipped tongue. Stylish and silent. My menu includes crickets, flies, butterflies, beetles, and even baby birds, if I'm big enough and feeling a little wild. The predator. But I'm chill. I wait for food to come to me, then unleash the tongue attack. No chasing, no wasted calories, ninja style. I'm a reptile, so I lay eggs. Anywhere from a few to a few dozen, depending on my species. No babysitting for me. I don't incubate the eggs. When the babies hatch, they're fully equipped. Color changing, bug catching, world watching, tiny survivalists from the start. Please stop calling me a lizard. Yes, we're distant relatives, but I'm built different. My tail curls like a coat hook. My feet are split in 2 with sharp claws for tree hugging mastery. I don't shed skin in big, ugly chunks. I peel in sections, nature's original skincare routine. I'm the chameleon, small, flashy, and not a fan of crowds. But I've got my own kind of strength. I know when to shine and when to hide. I don't fight for attention, my tongue does the work. I don't fear change, I am change. You can learn from me. Stay flexible, keep your distance when needed, and when life gets weird, just color shift your vibe and carry on.
Hello there, I'm the main character in almost every tear-jerking movie. I'm the reason you can never sneak a snack without getting caught. I'm a dog, 4 legs, 2 ears, 1 tail, and a head tilt that can melt the coldest human heart. Name, dog, scientific name, Canis lupus familiaris. I'm the proud descendant of wolves, but relax, I don't howl at the moon anymore. Less wild, more adorable. It's estimated that we dogs were domesticated 20,000 to 40,000 years ago, and now we're everywhere from muddy farms to shiny city penthouses. House dog, hunting dog, sled dog, police dog, fashion icon, you name it, I do it. I'm the multitasking legend of the animal kingdom. Yes, I'm smart. Don't let the woof woof fool you. My intelligence is on par with a 2-year-old human. I can understand around 250 words, gestures, count to 5, and even solve basic math problems. We dogs can learn over 100 words and commands, and if you're a border collie, well, congrats, you just unlocked genius mode. Old rumor says dogs are colorblind. Well, partly true. I don't see a full rainbow like you, but I can distinguish blue, yellow, and gray, kind of like viewing the world through vintage sunglasses. Moody, artsy, aesthetic. That's me. And about my nose? Each dog nose has its own unique print, just like human fingerprints. Plus, I have up to 220 million scent receptors, if I'm an Alsatian, compared to your humble 5 million. In other words, I can sniff out anything. I mean, I can catch a scent from kilometers away or even track down a missing person buried under rubble. I can even sense illness. If you're dealing with cancer, diabetes, or epilepsy, I might just sniff it out before you even know. Scientists think I can detect abnormal proteins in the body. Some of us dogs are even trained to warn about upcoming seizures or detect cancer, just by noticing subtle changes in your body's scent. Pretty heroic, huh? I could even sense emotions. Yep, I'm that good. We pick up on your mood through facial expressions, body scent, and even the tone of your voice. And we're especially tuned into oxytocin, the love and bonding hormone. I'm not picky with food. I'm an omnivore. Meat, veggies, snacks, kibble, pate. Bring it on. Just no chocolate, grapes, onions, please. Those are toxic for me. Sure, I only have 1,700 taste buds, you've got 9,000, but my nose makes up for it. If it smells amazing, it is amazing. Dogs come in all shapes and chaos levels. There are over 340 recognized dog breeds worldwide. Tiny as a chili pepper, hi Chihuahua. Fluffy as a cotton puff, hey Pomeranian. Tall, tough, and always on guard. Great Dane, Doberman, Rottweiler at your service. Our coats, long, short, curly, straight, or none at all. Shout out to my bald pals, the Xoloitzcuintlas Quinless. We're not loners. Dogs are pack animals, loyal to the core. And you know what? I see your family as my pack too. I communicate by barking, growling, whining, and yep, with my eyes too. That soulful gaze, pretty rare in the animal kingdom. Bet you've melted under my puppy eyes at least once, huh? And don't underestimate my tail, it's basically my emotional antenna. Wagging to the right usually means I'm happy. To the left, I might be anxious or gearing up for a showdown. I'm not just cute, I'm useful. Need protection? I'm here. Feeling down? I'm here. Need a guide, a rescuer, a bomb sniffer, or an undercover cop? That's me again. Big dogs get trained for all sorts of specialized missions. Search and rescue, like the mighty St. Bernard, sniffing out explosives, shout out to the Malinois, or offering emotional support, hello Golden Retrievers. Even beagles strut their stuff at airports, sniffing out snacks or contraband like total pros. And that's not all. We can learn complex tasks too, like opening doors, flipping light switches, or fetching items for people with disabilities. Yep, we're kind of amazing. Our sense of direction? Off the charts. We can find our way home from miles away using our super sniffers and even the Earth's magnetic field. Pretty cool, right? Average lifespan, around 10 to 13 years, but if I'm a small breed, I might hit 20. I don't just live with you, I walk with you, comfort you, heal your heart, and sometimes teach you how to love better. Here's a fun fact, I can dream too. Dogs spend about 12 to 14 hours a day sleeping, and during that time we dream, just like you. We might dream of running, chasing balls, or playing with you. Puppies and senior dogs usually need even more sleep to recharge properly. I can run marathons, jump high, dig holes, climb sofas, and chase cats. But what I love most? Going for a walk with you. The moment I see the leash, pure joy, like winning the lottery, every single time. I don't care if you're pretty or plain, rich or broke, clever or kinda goofy. All I need is your love and I'll be loyal for life. And you know what? If one day you feel down, misunderstood, and no one's there to hug you, I'll quietly come over, lie next to you, and say, with my eyes, I'm here, you'll be okay. I'm a dog, not perfect, occasionally smelly, but always genuine, always by your side, and always ready to love you unconditionally.